Hey people, I've been up since 5 in the morning. I just made myself palak soup and had, and today I'm sitting at a slightly different angle. No, I had this photographer friend, this colleague in office, who had told me that depending on the slant of the rays of the sun, you would look different. So, considering this is being shot indoors, I think that doesn't fully apply, but it's true. I mean, the same person, same frame can look very different during different parts of the day. And that apparently is according to the movement of the sun. This gentleman, uh, he he was like he's a professional photographer, and his family is into this photography business. So really, yeah. Yeah, I might as well say it. His name is Dinesh, and I'm very grateful to him for having taught me this. Because that's what photography is, a field most of us are interested in. So it's nice to get these tips from people who are in that field and they know what they are speaking about. So yeah, photography tip, rather random, but I felt it's important. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.